Give me some.
Bugs. So today I'm going to be doing a Flexi Rod set. I'm using Camille Rose Naturals Aloe Butter Gel. As you guys know, this has been my staple. I've used it for perm rod sets. I just used it for my best 3-strand twist out ever video that was just uploaded last week. And if you haven't checked that out, make sure that you do. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just sectioning my hair off and spraying it with water and then applying the Aloe Butter Gel. So I like to really smooth my hair with the water and then the Aloe Butter Gel, just in prep for smoothing it onto the Flexi Rod. And then following that, I'll use my Denman brush and I smooth it out even more with that. That really helps get me to get that strand smoothed out to be able to apply it to the Flexi Rod. So as I do that, I'm wrapping the hair onto the end of the Flexi Rod, making sure my end is smooth and kind of covering the hair up and wrapping more hair over top of that just to ensure that the hair is smooth enough. And then following that, I'm going to make sure it's taut to my scalp, and I'm going to bend the Flexi Rod in place to kind of hold it in place and keep the hair taut. That's the way that you're going to ensure that your hair stays smooth and that the hair does not unravel from the end of the Flexi Rod. So I'm just repeating that process. And what I like to do as well, I told you guys before that my crown gets the frizziest out of all parts of my hair. So what I tend to do sometimes, if that part of the hair looks like it's about to start frizzing, I like to do a little 2-strand twist at the top and then start the Flexi Rod just to make sure that everything is going to be smoothed out. And sometimes doing a little twist at the top of an area that tends to get frizzy really helps smooth it out and kind of helps it apply better onto the Flexi Rod set as well. So after finishing the whole set, I like to spray some water all around my hair. This kind of helps set the hair in place and kind of make sure that everything's on the same level. So when my hair is starting to dry, everything can be drying at the same time and kind of just smooth everything out. And so now I'm just starting to separate them now. I'm really impressed at how shiny my hair is right now and how smooth it is. I was very nervous. Sometimes it's scary doing your hair on wet hair because you don't know if it's going to be dry, if it's going to come out the right way, or how you want it to come out. But these curls are popping. Look how shiny the hair is. My hair is really shiny. The curls are very defined. The ends are smooth. Like, it just looks really seamless. So now I'm applying my favorite lavender clay edge control just to make sure my edges are smoothed out, springy, and it's actually so defined and curled. But look at that zoom in of my curls, guys. Wow, amazing. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys again. That's the only styler I use. I only use Aloe Butter Gel, nothing else. Who can say that though? There was no setting lotion used in this video. There was no wrapping mousse used in this video. It was only Aloe Butter Gel, only a butter gel. Like, really? And those are the results I got. So I'm so happy with the results. I hope you guys are too. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you follow me on Instagram. Make sure that you give me a thumbs up on this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Let's grow the LoveBug family. Tell a friend about LucilleBatiste. Make sure that you share this video with a friend. And leave a comment below. Have you used Aloe butter gel before, guys? If you haven't, do you plan on it? All right, LoveBugs. I'll see you in my next video.